guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you're new. My name's Nikki, and for today's video I have a really fun video. I saw quite a few other people doing this kind of video and I just wanted to put my own take on it and do my own video. So today I'm going to be telling you guys about 7 things that make you stylish instantly. Like, just if you have these things, then you know, you're just elevated as a person. You know, you've got your individual style, you've got personality, and you've just got something about you that tells me, like, yeah, you know what, she's looking good, she's looking fly, she knows what she's about. Let's just get straight into it. So I'm going to start with accessories first, specifically hats or any kind of hair accessory. Now, when I tell you, you can have the most boring outfit ever, but as soon as you add like a cap, a beanie, like sunglasses to your head, or you add some bows in your hair, or you have like a fun hairstyle with like accessories in your hair, that just honestly makes you look even more put together. And it honestly can make your outfit so cohesive and just bring that kind of extra wow factor. But there are literally so many hair kind of accessories that you can have today. You can get bows in your hair, you can get headbands, you can get like those fur kind of like I don't know what they're called, I think they're called like ushankas, like the fur Russian hats. You can get those, you can get like fitted caps. Like any simple kind of hair accessory will just take your outfit to the next level. And not only that, it just makes your outfit more interesting as well. It just brings that kind of pop of color, or like, you know, that sort of edge to your outfit that may have been missing. There is so much variety. Don't be shy to wear a hat outside. Honestly, I'll be wearing a hat even if it's like sunny, or even if it's like wind, like whatever the weather, I'm gonna be wearing a hat or some kind of hair accessory. Like recently there was a whole kind of like trend of wearing bows and like the kind of coquette aesthetic, but bows, like I've literally been wearing bows since I was like a kid. I swear, like I've never stopped wearing bows, so don't come for me for saying I'm just a trend hopper. The bows can really make your, especially like for females, like it can just make your look ultra feminine and just like classy and chic. Even if you've got like a messy pony, slap a bow on it and let me tell you, it works. They look cute after that. Even fun little claw clips. Like I've seen girls put flowers in their hair, butterflies like in the shape of a claw clip. It's just so cool, like things that are out there that you can use just to like add a little bit of spice to your outfit. Moving on, I want to talk about layering jewelry. Now I feel like a lot of people have said this, layering jewelry, but I am someone who, like, you know, you get those people that's like only wear gold or only wear silver, don't mix them together. Like I am the kind of person that will mix them together intentionally, because I'm like, why am I going to stick to one color? If I got an outfit that's got a lot going on, then maybe yeah, I'll stick to like one kind of like metal. But usually on my day-to-day basis, I don't really care about sticking to gold or sticking to silver. Some people might think that certain metal suits them more, but gold and silver are such versatile colors that it can honestly suit anyone. You don't have to have a specific skin tone, you don't have to like look a certain way, you don't have to like, no, you just have to find the right kind of jewelry item to wear that kind of suits your shape or your outfit. But what I've really been loving is stacking like big chunky bangles. Like that I've been obsessed with, and that to me is like, wow, you have something different, you have a little bit of flair. And don't be afraid of color. This is going to be like a theme in this video. Do not be afraid of color, because I feel like people, they may only feel like black is their color or white is their color, or like, you know, stick to like warm tones or neutral tones. No, experiment, try different colors. You're never gonna know if you don't try. So try different colors, especially when it comes to jewelry. There is a lot of stuff out there you can just like play with. Layering jewelry, stacking jewelry, just mixing it around. You can honestly jazz up an outfit, make it more appealing, make it more aesthetic to look at. You know, if you have like a boring outfit, adding a couple of like layered necklaces, that just honestly brings it up to like a 10. The whole point about jewelry is just to have fun with it. There's no rule, there's no like kind of description of only wear this amount, or if I'm wearing rings today I'm not gonna wear bangles. Like I've heard people say that and I'm like, you sound ridiculous right now. Like nobody says that. It's never too much. It's never too much in my opinion. Number 3 is statement pieces. I'm just talking about like wearing a bold piece as part of your outfit that really stands out and that kind of like contrast from the rest of your outfit. It's kind of like color blocking, but not really. There are a couple of influencers that do this really well and I love their style. I will insert like a couple of pictures of what I mean, but these girls, like they will wear like normal like chill outfits and then they'll just pair it with like a really fun funky boot, and that to me says, whoa, like you're not afraid to like play around, you're not afraid to come out of your shell, try a different aesthetic. Having statement pieces in your wardrobe is, I think, crucial to building your dream wardrobe. Honestly, having basics is not enough. You've got to have like a pair of pants or a pair of like heels or a pair of boots or like a top that's like really standing out. What's the point in just sticking to one kind of tone? Do you know what I mean? Like, color blocking is really fun if it's done in the right way. Like if you're wearing like a brown outfit, maybe add like a green scarf, or if you're wearing like, I don't know, like a beige outfit, maybe add like a blue hat or a blue coat, like something that just adds that pop of color. It'll be eye-catching. Because like if you see someone in a whole beige fit walking past you by the street, like, you know, walking past you on the street, you're not going to really look twice at them. You're not going to really like pay attention to them, if you know what I mean. I mean, some might, but generally not really. But if you've got someone who's wearing a whole beige outfit but they're wearing like a blue coat on top or a blue hat, it makes you kind of do like a double take, like, oh shit, that's actually like a fire outfit. Having that kind of like statement piece brings all the flavor of, you know, you and your style out into just like that one piece. And the way you plan your outfit and the way you coordinate the rest of your pieces together with that statement piece just shows like that you're stylish, that you've got it about you. You know what you're doing. You're not afraid to have a little fun, to like wear something bold. Just be brave, you know, and wear it with confidence. Now this brings me into like my next point: personality and confidence. Having confidence, if you just exude that kind of attitude that you're like, I'm wearing an outfit, I'm not afraid to wear it, like I know I look good, like having that personality, having that confidence, it makes you instantly more stylish. I don't know how to describe it in the best way, because like if you have an outfit and, you know, it may look good, but if you don't have the right attitude or the right personality to go with the outfit, it's kind of like a turn off, or kind of like a negative kind of thing. If you don't have the flair to match the flair of your outfit, why are you wearing the outfit? You know, people want to see you as well as the outfit. Like, where is this stunning outfit coming from? It must come from a stunning person. So that's why you just gotta have that personality to match, you know, how great your outfit is. Just have that confidence, have that kind of like ability to be like, yes, I'm wearing this, I look good, and I'm gonna fucking slay. A lot of the times people are afraid to like wear what they want to wear, or like, you know, they're afraid it's too bold or too showy, or it's gonna like, you know, catch the wrong eye. But if you have that confidence and you have that mentality that's like, no, like I look good, I don't care what anyone else thinks. And not caring what anyone else thinks, that's like such a big thing. Like, that's where it all has to come from at the end of the day, right? Yeah, so personality is just such an important kind of factor in styling yourself and how you come across in like an outfit that you put together. So then my next kind of instant stylish tip is a classic pair of heeled boots. Now, this is, I guess, like for the girlies really, but a classic pair of heeled boots can get you far. You can have the most basic, boring outfit, but if you have a good pair of heeled boots, or even like a pair of heels that are like just fire, then that will just instantly bring you from here to here. Heels, not only do they add height, because when you have height in the outfit, it kind of accentuates your features, accentuates your body, you know. So if you're wearing like baggy pants, like pair it with like heeled boots or like any kind of heels, and it just brings out the length of the pant nicely. If you do wear baggy pants with heels, and like say they're pointed heels, if they're like a fun pop of color, that's like, again, it's like color blocking. It can just add spice, jazz to the outfit that maybe was missing, or maybe you didn't know how to incorporate it, but down there's the safest option, but it's still there. Yeah, a classic pair of heeled boots that's sleek, comfortable, stylish, edgy, all of that. My next tip is a good pair of pants that fit your body well. Anyone can have a pair of stylish pants, but the fact that makes them a good pair of pants is the way they fit on your body. They have to suit your body type, and they have to accentuate your figure, and they have to make you look good. The shape of it, the fit of it, that is what makes the pant really good. Then of course we can go into the patterns and the style of it and the textures and the fabrics. Like having a versatile pant, a pant that can go with a lot of clothes, but is also like really unique and fun, that is honestly like a key staple of mine to have in my wardrobe. I have about 5 to 6 pants that I know suit my body type really well. I can pair with like any kind of shoe, trainers, heels, boots, like Uggs, but it's the shape of the pant and the way it fits me, especially around the waist and around the ankle. It's not too long, it doesn't make me look like I'm suffocating in the fabric. It kind of like brings me out as a person in the outfit, if you know what I mean. If you're going out and about and you're in winter and it's freezing, nobody's gonna really see your top, you know? You chuck on the coat and the whole fit is kind of gone. But if you have a really fun pair of pants on the bottom that look really good and that suit you, then your outfit's done. Last but not least, layering clothes. Now this is not really a new one. People do this like all the time. The key to layering your outfit is that you don't want to drown in all of the clothes that you're wearing. It's kind of like a jigsaw puzzle. When you layer your outfits, yes, this is the best analogy. When you layer your outfit, it's kind of like fitting pieces into a jigsaw puzzle. If you've got like a gilet, what's really good is like you can wear like a long sleeve top inside. It can be fuzzy or it can be like a sweater, and it can have like a different texture to the like gilet on top, and then you can wear like a scarf on top, a coat or something like that. There's definitely an art to layering. It can't just be done messily and haphazardly. The way it's done has to kind of still be flattering and still, you know, make you as, you know, a person pop out of the outfit, because it can get confusing at times and it can be kind of overwhelming to look at or to even style for yourself. But layering can be really fun, and if you play around with different textures and different fabrics, it just makes your outfit so much more visually aesthetic to look at, and it makes it more exciting and that wow factor to your outfit. So layering can really apply to pretty much any kind of garment or accessory. Anyways, that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this as much as I did filming this. This was actually like a really fun video to kind of talk about and just to bring my own kind of opinions to the table. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like these.